Okay, here we have types, and to run this we need to go into here and we'll change out mod vars for mod types, and we'll swap out vars for types as well. Okay, there we go. Let's go back to types. For default, when you set an integer, it'll automatically set to a 32-bit integer. But if you use a decimal point, it'll automatically set it to float 64. However, you can specify which one you want. For example, here we have put let z colon I64, then we can use a 64-bit integer. And to find its max, you just have to write this out and it will give you the maximum number that you can get for a 64-bit integer and a 32-bit integer. Boolean, you just have to set is equal to true or is equal to false, and it'll automatically pick that up. You can also set a conditional boolean, so it'll be true if something happens. So for this one, it's the boolean is equal to 10 is greater than 5, which we know is true. So the boolean is greater will be true. You can also have chars or characters or whatever you want to call them, and you just have to use single colons for that. You can also use emojis by finding out their specific number. And in this last part, this just means that it will print out all of them. Okay, let's make sure we save all of that. And then we'll write cargo run. So as you can see, it gives the max for integer 32 and integer 64. And if you want to check that, you can, but if you want to check that, you can to make sure that it's true, but that's what it is. And as you can see here, at the end, we've got ourselves a little emoji, which is quite nice and lovely, or whatever you want to call it. And so yeah, that's types.